Are you interested in getting into freight dispatching and learning what the day-to-day operations really look like? Join us live at the AAWTA Power Lab in Doraville, Georgia for our Freight Dispatching Operations Workshop Saturday Intensive. This hands-on workshop is designed for those who want real-world exposure to the business of dispatching. You will have the opportunity to learn from AAWTA certified trainers, industry leaders, and the AAWTA support community in an interactive live setting. During this workshop, you will experience dispatching operations deep dive, load board strategies, and booking and negotiation techniques. You'll also cover dispatch systems, templates, and workflows, along with business setup and getting started. And of course, we'll have lunch and networking to connect with like-minded professionals. This is more than just a class. It is an opportunity to learn, practice, execute, and succeed in a supportive environment built to help you grow. The workshop will take place on Saturday, May 23rd, at the AAWTA Power Lab in Doraville, Georgia. Space is limited to 15 participants, so early registration is strongly encouraged. If you are ready to explore the world of freight dispatching, build confidence, and connect with professionals in the industry, this workshop is for you. Visit aawta.org to register today. We look forward to seeing you at the Power Lab.